Good evening. Like, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಪ್ಪ? Okay. You are busy in writing the exams, right? Okay. Almost you are going to finish 4 to 5 subjects. The next hours computer on March 19th. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss some pattern related to the question 1 and question 2. In question 1 and question 2 only, most of the students they are losing the marks. In program part, almost all the program I explained. Okay. Now I go for question 1, the patterns. Related to the pattern, what are the questions we can discuss? Okay, I'm going to share the screen. And I'm coming with one. Yeah. So is the pattern. This is the pattern for the question 1. ಇದೇ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ಬರಬಹುದು chances. So first topic I take returns, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction. Based on this, they are going to ask the question. They can ask the question. Okay. And the next one is, okay, they can expect the diagram ಕೊಟ್ಟು diagram ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Okay, next is taken linear search versus binary search. So linear search and binary search, I have taken the topic. ಅದೇ question number 2 ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, I have taken some pattern. So among these, which one is more efficient? The binary search is more efficient than the linear search because, as we know, what is the topic? Binary search array is going to divide into 2 halves, right? So we'll get, if in the linear search ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ example ಒಂದು 50 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 48ನೇ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ that is going to not take more time. So binary search is more efficient than the linear search. And the next is question related to the wrapper class. So in the Java we have, so what are the different wrapper class that we hide? It is showing like this. Okay. So what are the wrapper class? The wrapper class selected you can expect. Next is formal, actual, and formal actual parameter. Formal means that is the method definition, and actual parameter means that is located at the method call. And formal parameter means that receives the values, and actual means where the actual, that is the real. Formal is not real and actual are the real, right? And switch related MCQs. That is the meaning of switch. Switch is a multiple branching statement that also you can expect. Switch related and switch is not going to accept double or float. You can accept string, character, integer, and precedence and associated. Yeah, this is a very tricky question they can ask in the precedence and associativity. For that one, I'm treated in the great precedence. So if you have the more than one number of operators, then you are going to check which operator is going to evaluate first. Okay, then what is the meaning of associativity, sir? Associativity ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದು, okay, so what are the highest precedence? If it is plus, it will start from plus, this is the highest precedence, and plus this one symbol, and star, modulus, sorry, star, division and modulus, plus and minus. If both, ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಇವುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಇರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ associativity start from left to right. All are left to right, only these two right, these are all plus. Okay, this bitwise operator, left shift and right shift, and these are all left to right. They can ask for the associativity also, 1 marks. And some another one, what is this? Some are this equals is a right associative, and you can check with the plus. Where is the plus? Logical and left logical are, and ternary operator, all are comes under. You can check this table. Okay, next we go for case reading. Some in the last year question paper they asked the question regarding the case. Case means they'll give one scenario, based on that you are going to write the questions. Sorry, I won't write the answer. Sorry. Next, package related questions. So, which is the what are the inbuilt the built-in packages? Java.lang, Java. So many are there. Among these, which is the default one? Java.lang that he can ask. And what is the keyword to call the package in our program? Import. Right. Next, boxing and unboxing. Boxing means we are going to convert the primitive data type into the object of wrapper class. Unboxing means object of wrapper class into primitive data type. Next, memory size. So this question you can expect one must and should question. What is the memory size of integer? Memory size of float? Character. Character is 2 byte. Int float 4. Long double 8. Short 2 byte. Short and character. Long 8 ಆಯ್ತು. Next ಇನ್ನೇನಿದೆ byte 1 byte and boolean either 1 bit or 1 byte. Okay, one question. ಅವನೇನಾದ್ರು array ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ then you are going to check how many number of elements into that. Okay. Next is 2D array position. Yeah, you're going to write if it is a 2D array, you're going to write 0 1 2 0 1 2 how many number of rows, how many number of columns, and based on that you're going to take the which position. Yeah, the element of the position ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾನೆ. It's for the first you're going to write the row, next you're going to write the column. Okay, next is string functions. String function. What are the string functions? Length of the string, substring, character, index of, compare to. Next, prefix with, and start with, ends with, value of. So many functions are there in that, and the most frequently they're asked is substring. Substring, in that also we have two types. One, they will give the what is the initial index. Initial index matra the end index is going to take up to last element. It's going to extract the substring. Initial index ಮತ್ತೆ last index ಕೊಟ್ರೆ you are going to exclude the last index, and example 1 comma 7 idre up to 1 comma 6 you are going to take extract the 1 comma 6 character from the string. And implicit and explicit conversion. Implicit means the conversion has to be done by compiler. Explicit means has to be done by developer or user or student. And what is the other name for implicit conversion? It is also known as coercion, and explicit is also known as typecasting. Next, method prototype. Yeah, method prototype means, so the first line of a method is known as method prototype. So what is that? First it is access specifier followed by the return type followed by a method name and the bracket what are parameter list. So the line, and inside the method type there are a number of parameters are there, right? That is method signature. Okay, it's based on the parameter, based on the variables. I can think and take. And formal and actual parameter that I already told. Formal means it is the method definition, actual the method call. Function to find the length of array, and this also array means dot length, and string means dot length parenthesis, open parenthesis and close parenthesis. Call by value and call by reference. Call by value is also known as pass by value. Means we are going to pass the values, though means the value of actual parameter is not, and formal parameter remains same. In the call by reference, if you are going to actual parameter value change ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it's going to change on formal parameter also, whereas in call by value it is not going to reflect, it will always same. Okay, it is also known as pass by value, it is also known as here it is going to pass the object reference address pass ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, there you are going to pass the only values. And constructor related MCQ. What is the meaning of constructor? Constructor is used to initialize the variables. Which type of variables? Instance variables at the time of object creation. At the time of object creations. And the constructor, what are the characteristics of constructor? Constructor name and class name should be same. And it does not have any return type, even the void also. Right? And constructor again ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. Same name class name ಇರಬೇಕು, and it is going to call at the time of object creation. Okay, next escape sequence /t and /n. This slash this slash t backslash and /n and nested loop MCQ. Nested loop means a loop within the loop. For loop example, which loop is executed first? Outer loop is inner loop is going to execute first, and outer loop is evaluated first. And entry, control, and exit. Entry means for and while loop, and exit control loop is do while loop. Next is related to the access. This is okay. Which is the most accessibility public, and least accessibility is private, and public is the least restrictive. If he has the word restrictive, least is less or least restrictive. If you use public and private, you can expect one question. So these are the I have taken some topics. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಏನೇ ಅವನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇಫ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಟರ್ನರಿ ಆಪರೇಟರ್. Ternary means question mark and colon. First you write the sentence, start sentence, condition, question mark, statement 1, statement 2. Right? Okay. The problem. Prefix, postfix, increment or decrement. If he has given in the shorthand form, first you are going to expand, then you are going to do. After that, you are going to take the precedence. If precedence are same, then you go for associativity. Next, conversion from mathematical expression to Java expression. You give one mathematical, you are going to be using a mathematical library function, math, power, math, square root, cube root. So many are there. ಏನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ a into b into c ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How many times loop will rain the break? This question you can expect one tricky question. Break and continue. Break means when the output is, when the loop is true ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, it come out of the loop. Continue ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೈ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಲೂಪ್ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಸಬ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗು ಏನಾರು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಟು ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಏನಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ implicit and explicit. Integer to parse int, double to parse int, sorry, double to parse double, right? That type of functions you're going to convert string into the integer, string into the long, string into the float, string into the double. Okay, next output based on the constructor types of constructor ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. One is default, no values inside the constructor. ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು values ಕೊಡಿದ್ರೆ that is known as parameterized constructor. That type of question you can ask. And output based on the array positions, same types of array, based on the type of array. Compile, any error ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಪೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪೈಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಎರರ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಬಗ್. ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ as we know fall through situation, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ, ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿ ಏನಾರು ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂದ ಇದು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್, ಲಾಜಿಕ್, ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್, ರೈಟ್. ದ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಏನೋ, ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ, ಅದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್. Next is output based on the mathematical library function. Floor or zero. Floor means output remain the same number, in the positive. Negative means C means go to the next number. ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅದ್ರ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ prototype and signature. What is the input, what is the method name, what is the return type, and what is the signature, number of parameters that you can write. Okay, this is related to the question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, so many topics are there, you can go through it. Among that I have taken only this. You can revise, and while writing the exam, time management is very important. Okay, now 100 marks ಬರೀತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರ, only 2 hours. 2 hours means 120 minutes you are going to finish the 100 marks. In that, variable description is compulsory for program, and don't write the variable description program ಬರ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದಾಗಲ್ಲ. And while writing the MCQ, first you should write the option. Example 1 ಗೆ A ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ A, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ write on the answer. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀನು 1 ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರೀದಂಗೆ ಬರೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ your marks is not, they will not give. You should write the option, then answers. Okay, and question number 2 and question number 3 is starting from program. There you can expect one question from if else if, and the fourth question from the one from the number, and one from the either linear search, binary search, selection search, bubble search, and one question from the 2D array, and one question from the method overloading, and one question from the string. Out of this, you can select any 4 program ಅಂಡ್ ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಗೊತ್ತು ಸರ್, ಆರೋ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು 4 ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀನೇನಾರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದು 4ನೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು 5ನೇ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 4. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾವ್ದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್. ಒಂದು 10 minutes ಇದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಲಾಶ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ಶಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್. You can score more than 98, 99, 100. Properly you studied the MCQ. Don't miss it. Don't miss. Try to ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ರೀಡ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಕೇಸ್, ಟು ಲೋಯರ್ ಕೇಸ್, ಯಾವ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ್ದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ನೋಡುವ ಈ ಸಲ 10th ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ICSE 10th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಕ್ಕಳುಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಅನದರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 and ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 only I will discuss. Now I explain only pattern. Okay, thank you.